Former Secret Service agent turned gun store owner in Conroe has, shall we call it, the mother of all security systems?
Yeah, fog, strobe lights, piercing alarms greeting any would-be burglars who try to break into his store. Adam Bennett shows us how the owner came up with this idea.
This is the campaign of '96, the Bob Dole campaign.
After 25 years in the Secret Service,
That was my first day on the president's detail there.
it's safe to say Tom Bolsch knows a thing or two about protection.
The mission is you elect them, we protect them.
Now, after years of securing buildings for American presidents, Bolsch is using that same training and more than $200,000 to secure his own business. Saddle River Range, built from the ground up with concrete and steel walls, armored glass, gates, and 61 cameras.
This is not the place to do an easy snatch and grab.
But if criminals somehow get through the front door, Bolsch has one last measure that all but guarantees they'll be running out in a fog. It's called flash fog, discovered by Bolsch at a convention. When someone breaks in, it sets off a motion detector and a thick cloud of fog that envelopes the room in seconds, plus a disorienting strobe light and a piercing alarm.
And the premise, of course, is if you can't see the guns, you can't steal the guns, and most importantly as well, is you can't even find your way out.
Even though Bolsch says he and his customers do everything with guns by the book, it's a surefire bet criminals do not.
I think it's well worth it, because as a law enforcement officer, I would not want my guns getting on the street and harming somebody.
Now he's doing his part to protect the top guns from harm's way, just like he's done his whole career. Adam Bennett, KHOU 11 News.
So how effective has it been? Bolsch says after a year and a half of being open, no one has tried to break into his store.